In this video I'm going to show you how to add a paragraph text option in Google Forms. So what we need to do, we need to open a new form, and as you can see I've done that. Now the next step is to go to the plus sign, add question. Click on that, and as you can see we can now add a question. Like for example, how is your day? Now the next step will be to select multiple choice options. After that this menu will open, and here you can select the paragraph option. So this option will make it available for people to answer with longer text than normally. So what we will do, we will select the required, so people have to provide an answer when filling in this form. The next step is to publish your form, and after that people can answer this question with a longer text than usual. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!